Welcome to Our Daily Health. Blackheads, 11 amazing natural cures for blackheads. Did you look into the mirror and notice a group of dark spots on your skin? The tiny bumps are called blackheads or comedones. Interestingly, comedones are confused for dirty skin, but that's not it. It's the production of excess sebum, which sticks onto your skin, pushing pores open. When the sebum is exposed to air, it turns color, making comedones appear dull. Although it is said that personality outweighs appearance, nobody wants to be ugly. Fortunately, there are remedies to help you enjoy flawless and beautiful skin. This video outlines 11 natural cures for comedones. Let's dig in. Number 1. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is one of the perfect home remedies for your problem. Lemons have citric acid, which plays a vital role in removing excess sebum. All you need to do is squeeze fresh lemons to extract the juice. One study in 2016 found that the concentrates of lemon juice and other citrus fruits prevents the growth of fungi and bacteria, meaning it can prevent pimples and other skin infections. Apply the liquid to your skin using a cotton ball twice a week. Or make a face mask by mixing raw glycerin, almond oil, and lemon juice. Combine properly and apply to your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Number 2. Potato juice. Yes, potato. If you didn't know about the skin benefits of this vegetable, then it's time you give it a try. This bulky and starchy vegetable soaks in excess oil from your skin and cleanses it from deep within. Furthermore, potato juice has lightening properties which can brighten your face. Here's what you need to do. Slice the potato into thin slices and place them on your face as you massage the affected areas gently. Allow them to sit for 20 minutes and then rinse off. For best results, repeat the process 3 times a week. Number 3. Yogurt, unsweetened, and orange peel mask. While you consume oranges to strengthen your immune system, their peels may also offer you flawless skin. Are you wondering how this remedy can help you? Well, orange peels help to cleanse and shrink your pores. Besides, it may also lighten your skin. On the other hand, yogurt offers antibacterial effects while cleansing your skin. Take 2 tablespoons of yogurt and orange peel powder, mix them properly, and apply the mixture to your face. Let it rest for 30 minutes and wash off with cool water. Repeat the process 3 times a week. Number 4. Turmeric. This list wouldn't be complete without this golden spice. The curcumin in turmeric possesses antioxidants and anti-inflammatory properties. According to PubMed.gov, curcumin may help fight pimples and other skin conditions. Mix a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a few drops of water into a thick mixture. Spread the mixture on your skin, leave it for 30 minutes, and then rinse it off with cool water. Repeat this process 3 times a week for the best results. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 5. Egg whites. Another perfect natural remedy you can use is egg whites. The albumin in eggs helps in tightening skin and shrink pores. Furthermore, they are rich in nutrients that remove excess oils from the skin and improve your skin's texture. To prepare this remedy, separate egg whites from the yolk, add a teaspoon of raw honey, and mix properly. Apply the mixture to your skin and let it stay for 15 minutes before rinsing off with warm water. Apply the mask twice a week. Number 6. Aloe vera gel. This drought-resistant plant is beneficial to your skin. It cleanses your pores as it soothes skin. Moreover, it helps control excess oil production. By so doing, it also helps in fighting acne-related problems. You'll need to extract aloe vera gel from fresh leaves, then apply the liquid to your skin, let it sit for 10 minutes, and then wash your face with lukewarm water. It would be best to repeat this process daily for clearer and beautiful skin. Number 7. Clay mask. Bentonite clay cleanses your skin by absorbing impurities, giving you fresh and clean skin. Additionally, it has antibacterial properties which prevent skin infections. Mix clay and water to make a medium consistency mixture. Using a brush, apply the liquid to your skin to unclog pores. Let it sit for 15 minutes and then rinse with lukewarm water. Pat your face dry and moisturize. Repeat the process twice a week. Number 8. Steam your face to remove stubborn blackheads. Yes, you heard that right. Subjecting your skin to steam is an excellent way of eliminating comedones. Additionally, it removes toxins and softens your pores, making it easier to cleanse. What you need to do is wash your face first, put some boiled water in a bowl. Using a towel, cover yourself, keeping your distance from the bowl of water so as not to scald your skin. Steam your face for 10 minutes and remove comedones gently immediately after steaming. You can repeat the process twice a week for best results. Number 9. Raw honey. Honey is a powerhouse of nutrients and medicinal properties. Its antiseptic properties are crucial for treating numerous ailments as well as skin conditions. According to a study by the Asian Pacific Journal of Tropical Biomedicine, honey has antibacterial effects and low pH levels, which prevents microbes' growth, meaning it can prevent pimples. To use this remedy, heat 5 teaspoons of honey and let it cool. Rub it onto your face and let it dry, then peel it off. By so doing, comedones come off quickly. This procedure is safe and straightforward, and so you can do it 3 times a week. Number 10. Baking soda. Baking soda is undoubtedly an efficient blackhead remover. It never misses in the home remedy list for skin-related issues due to its therapeutic components. Besides, it helps remove dirt and absorb excess oils from your skin. Make a thick mixture by mixing 2 tablespoons of baking soda and a few drops of water. Apply it to your skin and massage gently in a circular motion for a minute, concentrating on affected areas. Allow the mixture to sit on your skin for 5 minutes and then wash it off. Try to implement this remedy twice a week for the best results. Number 11. Yogurt, lemon, and oatmeal mask. Yogurt cleanses your skin and offers antibacterial effects, while lemon removes excess sebum. Oatmeal, in this case, has saponins that cleanse the skin by removing impurities. This is probably the reason why oatmeal extracts are used in most skincare products. Mix all the ingredients into a thick mixture. Apply it to your face as you concentrate on the affected areas. Let it rest for 15 minutes before rinsing it with lukewarm water. You can use this mask twice a week. Bottom line, as mentioned earlier, having blackheads does not mean that you have dirty skin. It's the excessive amounts of sebum that clogs your pores. Luckily, natural cures such as raw honey, turmeric, lemon juice, oatmeal, and yogurt help remove stubborn comedones or blackheads. You want beautiful skin, don't you? Then go ahead and implement these remedies. Select those that work best for you and get started. Which of these natural cures for blackheads do you like best? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.